हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल मार्केट 360 डिग्री में। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं लेटेस्ट आईपीओ रेलटेल कंपनी के बारे में। यह एक पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनी है। चलिए जानते हैं इस कंपनी के बारे में और इस आईपीओ के बारे में कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे आईपीओ के डिटेल के बारे में, अबाउट द कंपनी, उनकी सर्विसेज क्या है, थोड़ा सा स्वॉट एनालिसिस करेंगे लाइक स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड इम्पॉर्टेंटली वी टॉक अबाउट करंट ग्रे मार्केट, प्रीमियम, लिस्टिंग गेन एंड द लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू क्या है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अबाउट दिस आईपीओ रेलटेल आईपीओ, अ पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनी। तो सबसे पहले वी टॉक अबाउट द आईपीओ डिटेल। आईपीओ इज अ बुक बिल्डिंग इश्यू. It start from bidding start from 16th to 18th of Feb, so it started today only, and price band for it's around 93 and cutoff price is 94. Retailer हमेशा cutoff price पे apply करें 94 पे, and IPO size is around 819 crores. And important part for retail investor is that their quota is for 35%, and market lot for one single application for retail investor is 155 share, and total amount जो block होगा that is 140570 rupees. Important dates about this IPO. IPO bid चालू हो रहा है 16 को which is today and close हो रहा है 18 को. Allotment will happen on 23rd and listing date is 26th of February. Now let's talk about the railtel company. So don't get confused with railtel company, something related to railway or it's a railway का कुछ है. It's not like that. So first all of it is incorporated in 2000, year 2000, is a public sector company, but yes, administrated by railway ministry. It has clientele more than 3,05,000 in retail segment, and they are having the optical fiber network around 60,000 kilometers and cover most of the railway station in India. And their main business they are into is the telecom services and IT related services, and they are the largest provider of telecom infrastructure in India, and promoter holding is right now is 100%, is a president of India. Now the purpose of IPO अभी जो चल रहा है disinvestment, so this company also come under the disinvestment agenda for current government. So yes, the first priority is the disinvestment. Then corporate purpose, the company required funds for their regular working operations and all. And third important thing, they want to get into the stock market to get benefit of the stock listing and their enhancement and the market capitalization growth. Now let's talk about the company financial. Company financial looks decent. If you can see that FY18, FY19, FY20 growing with a standard manner, but yeah, FY18-19 growth is limited, but yeah, FY20 growth is phenomenal. FY21 right now looking decent, but we don't have the complete year data. So overall, as per the pro rata basis, it is looking good. So financial overall looking very good for the company. Now let's talk about some strength, weakness, opportunity and threat about the company. Company जो strength में है, this is the biggest in telecom infrastructure, strong network across the India. They have around 5 data center in the major city of India. Advanced technology they use, strong clientele base and the decent financials they have. Now weakness again come is a tough competition, services decreased due to the COVID-19, lot of train services not there, lot of government services not active, so that's why their business was little bit hampered. Now opportunity is that the most of the sectors are now going to open, and they are opening up now. Even railway is going to open from coming April. So yes, there is a good growth expected for this sector, this particular company also. Threat, we didn't find much threat about the company, yeah, but there are some threats facing from tough competition, because this kind of services is not only provided by government agency, but this also provided by a lot of private players. So their competition, their way of working are completely different from the a government or a public sector company. Now let's talk whether we need to apply or not apply this IPO. So we, as we compared about the SWOT analysis, let's talk about simple things like companies apply करने के क्या कारण है. Comply like a strong player in telecom industry, covering most of the government arms, like all the agencies they cover, and they have presence in all India pan presence. So they cover through optical fiber, they cover all the station in India, and no side, if we see that their con side is only cut up competition what we face. Now come the interesting part of the our analysis. So as per the current grey market and the market expectation, this IPO is getting a decent response from all the players, especially QIB, retail investor, and the HNI also. But at the moment, grey market premium is running somewhere around 30 rupees. Again, it is a little pressurized. But overall, when we see this company, they have a very good potential in sectors like IT sector, which is booming, and their services which are going to consume by a lot of the government sector, and also it is a very good industry which is going to grow in coming days because of COVID side effect and the work from home, and overall this IT sector related sector services will grow. So our analysis for this IPO is that we should apply for this IPO even for listing gain also. If you want to looking for a long term perspective, yes, this is a good stock for the long term prospectus, and this is again a government organization, so it's a fundamentally very good stock if we go for a long term purpose. Before closing this presentation, I would like to give a disclaimer. We are not an SEBI registered broker, so please consult with your financial advisor before applying or doing any activity in financial or equity market. Still, if you have any queries about this IPO or any other query related the stocks, please get connected with us on Telegram, our email ID, our Facebook. All details are mentioned below. I hope you like this video, and we believe that you will get maximum benefit and the profit from this IPO, and have a great day ahead and have a great week ahead. Thank you very much.